Let me show you how I built this posing square platform with just a few simple steps. Okay, so first things first, you obviously gonna need some wood. Home Depot or Lowe's is just fine. Alright, so you will need a 40 by 43 inch square cut, which will cover the top of the platform. 4 40 by 10 inch rectangles. 2 37 by 10 inch rectangles. This will be placed inside the square for additional support. Few tools you will need: Gorilla Wood Glue, 8 3-inch corner braces. Hardware is included with these. Drill, tape measure, adhesive, wood paper if you prefer not to paint. So I started off with spray paint that I got from Home Depot. It will work, but I wanted something a little more seamless and less messy, so I went with the adhesive wood tape instead. So here's another diagram I put together displaying where to apply wood glue, insert your support wood, install corner braces, and apply the top cut of wood. I recommend using these corner braces for additional support and stability to the platform. Here's how it will look from underneath when fully assembled. Here's where I applied the wood tape to the platform. Be sure to smooth out as best as you can to prevent bubbles from forming underneath. Otherwise, you could be in Photoshop editing out these bubbles. Carefully use a sharp object to cut any excess wood tape. Again, this is 40 by 43 inches. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe if you found this video very helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.